A chart of accounts is a listing of the names of the accounts that your company has identified and made available for recording transactions. There are 5 major classes of accounts: revenue accounts, expense accounts, asset accounts, liability accounts, equity accounts. These classes are further broken down into types in the type column. An account has to have at least a name and a type. The other columns in your chart of accounts sheet are parent account, used to create sub-accounts. Enable payments. When set to yes, this account will show up in paid through drop-downs across WeKeep, such as when recording an invoice payment or an expense. Debit, credit, the debit or credit balance of the account. Activity, the type of cash flow activity for the account, such as operating, investing, or financing. Show in expense claims. If enabled, your employees can choose this account as an expense category when submitting expense claims. Customizing the chart of accounts for your business. WeKeep comes with a standard chart of accounts that is suitable for most businesses to get started quickly. However, you may want to modify it or create your own chart of accounts. To create an account, right-click on any row, then click Insert Row. Give your account a name, a numeric code, and choose the account type. Once you've completed these fields, the yellow triangle on the first column will disappear, meaning you've entered a valid account. Creating sub-accounts. Sometimes you may want to create multi-level accounts for more detailed reporting. To do that, you can create sub-accounts. For example, let's make the outdoor advertisement account we've just created a sub-account of the advertising and marketing account. To do that, under the parent column, we'll simply choose advertising and marketing. You can create as many levels of sub-accounts as you need. Deleting accounts. If you wish to delete accounts, right-click on the account you wish to delete, then click Delete. Keep in mind that you won't be able to delete an account if the account has transactions or if it's a system account such as accounts receivable. If you want to delete a non-system account, make sure to delete all transactions related to it, such as invoices, bills, expenses, credit notes, manual journals, and payments. Then go back to the chart of accounts and delete the account by right-clicking on it and selecting Delete Row.